Okay, so today I just want to go over something that I've seen happen a few times with clients and stuff that I work with. And it doesn't make a whole lot of sense when we kind of look at it like this. Now, what they'll be doing is they'll be listening to their kick through something like span. So I've just thrown in a kick and a sub bass here to show you what I mean. So we've got a kick here playing through span, and I've just got LFO tool here to show you what's happening. So we've got the kick. This is just one of my heavy trance kicks from the website if you want to check it out. So let's play it. And they're playing the kick, and then they're having a little bit of look at the peak of the kick. So somewhere around sort of 63 hertz there. And then they're going to their bass, and they're finding 63 hertz. Let's just drag this one down to, let's just type it in. 63 hertz. And then ducking their sub bass. Their sub bass to get out of the way of the kick. But the sub bass that they've got is an offbeat pattern, which is playing at this point here. So here's where the kick plays, and here is where the sub is playing. Now, they're not playing at the same time. So to duck frequencies to get out of the way of something that isn't playing at the right time isn't really necessary, because they're not playing at the right time. Now, if you're wanting to duck those frequencies in your sub bass because you think it sounds better, then that's totally fine. But we have to think about frequency and time. So we'll play them together. We're just ducking the frequencies from this part of the time. The kick isn't even touching the sub. So whenever you're thinking about doing some EQing or anything like that, think about what it is that you're doing. Now, I feel that the reason why people use this technique is because they've seen a tutorial and they've seen it done with where maybe the kick is playing at the same time as the sub, and they don't want those clashing frequencies, and that's fine. But when it comes to something like a sub bass like this that's playing an offbeat and your kick is playing on the onbeat, again, you can then EQ it if you want because it sounds better in the mix. Don't be EQing it to make way for your kick when your kick isn't even actually playing at that same point. If you've taken some value from this video, be sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and also check out some of the other in-depth tutorials on the website at alanmorrisstudios.com. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Bye.